Hey guys, in this video I just wanted to give a quick update about Fsurf. So if you watched the original video where I'm talking about how to use Fsurf, I mentioned that the only version of FreeSurfer that you can use for Fsurf was version 5.3. So when I first learned about Fsurf, that was true, but actually they did update it. And so when I made the video, that was actually wrong information, and you can use different versions of FreeSurfer. And this was back before I made the video that you could use different versions of FreeSurfer. So they had updated it and then I didn't know. So you can use actually 3 different versions of FreeSurfer. And I'll put the link to this particular page, but it's really simple. So when you're submitting, you just add a flag called version. And this is actually a little bit wrong, but you just put the flag version and then you have 3 options. So the default option, if you don't put this flag, is 5.3, but you can use 6.0, which is the latest release. And you can also use an older version of FreeSurfer if you want, which is 5.3. So I tested this a couple minutes ago, and it'll tell you if you do it wrong, but it's actually, you're supposed to put 6.0.0 because that's the exact version of FreeSurfer that you use. Okay, so I have FreeSurfer and then submit, subject. My subject is this name, and oh no, that was the subject folder name, so it can just be MAD, and then the input file. So my input file is this name, and then you do version. And so if you put 6.0, it'll just tell you that the available versions are 5.1.0, 5.3.0, or 6.0.0. So you just put 6.0.0 and it will run it on version 6.0 and not 5.3. So I just wanted to make this update video to let you guys know that you can use multiple different versions of FreeSurfer on Fsurf, in case anyone saw my other video and thought that they didn't want to use Fsurf because it used an older version. And as you can see, like if you look on the website, they are constantly updating the website still and the program, so probably they will add even more functionality to it in the future. So yeah, that's it for this video, and thank you guys for watching.